I'm an idiot. I didn't put it to 48 kilohertz. It was at 44.1. Now it's at 48. That's the rain on my iPhone 7 Plus. Back camera microphone with phone noise cancelling off. Phone noise cancelling should be off by default, not on. Because who wants phone noise cancelling? Nobody. It's like on your laptop microphone, right? That shitty audio from your microphone, when you turn noise suppression off, it sounds so much better. But when it's on, it's sounds like shit. But when it's off, sounds nice. I'm gonna shut up so you can hear the sound of the rain. I'm gonna leave this window open. Yeah, that's it for now. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.